Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to learn German on Duolingo. Now whether you're adding a course to your existing course or you want to learn from the beginning, you have to still start with this. You'll be introduced to this. If you're adding a course, you just click on the current course you're having, the flag there, and you'll see add course, just click on that. And if you're not and you just open Duolingo, you'll be taken here to choose your course. Now, like I said, I am going to be learning German with Duolingo. So I'm just going to look for German. Mm, Sometimes other more. I think I just skipped it. German. Okay, I'm going to pull down and search for it. Oh, it's right there. I'm going to click continue. Do is jotting that down. Now, it's asking me if I'm learning German for the first time or if I already know some German. I have no knowledge of German, so I'm going to just press for the first time. Then it's going to take me through a practice test. Cafe obviously is coffee. Normally, you're supposed to hear the sound and repeat, but for some reason, I can't hear the sound of mine. So I'm just going to click can't listen now. And of course, if you don't know the meaning of any word, you can just click on the word, whether it's in purple or it's in white. You can just click on it. So here says coffee and milk. Okay, milk, yeah. So we're going to click a coffee and milk, and which is owned, and yeah. So German is actually very easy to learn, as you can see. Perfect lesson. First time taking German lessons, but yet I killed it.
Get more with Super Duolingo. Reach your language goals fast with premium features that optimize your learning. With no limits to the mistakes you can make and no ads. Super learners are 4.2 times.
And that's it. That's how to learn German on Duolingo. As you can see, there are once you open it, you see your course there, and each under the course or then a cafe describe a family, use the adjective is going to take you everything. And that's it. That's how to learn German on Duolingo. Hope you found the video helpful. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.